What is going on, guys? I'm Tech Series. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download any tweaked apps or games for free on your iOS device. It works 100%. If you want to know how to download any tweaked apps, stick around to the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to your settings. Just go to your settings and you're gonna click your Wi-Fi and you're gonna click the icon right here, and you're gonna scroll down and you'll see the proxy. Just click that and you make sure you put the proxy automatic and make sure you put this link. The link will be in the description. Just copy paste it and it should work. Just now all you're gonna do is just get out from settings and you're gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up tutubox.io, and the link will be in the description. Just click the link and it will directly take you to this page. Now after you're on this page, you're gonna click install now, and there's one ad, just ignore that. And you can see there's a lots of options. You can see right here, if I want to download just it's for one app for tutubox, and if the first one that it doesn't work for you, try the second one. The second one's working for me. I'm just gonna click the second one. If the second one doesn't work for you, just try the third one. That's how it works. Okay, now it should finish installing. You can see tutubox is right here. Now all I have to do is just click it. It's untrusted developer. If I want to trust the app, all I have to do is just go to setting and scroll down, and you're gonna go to general, scroll down one more time and just wait a little bit, and you'll see device management right here. Just click it and click the first one and trust it right here. So you just trust the app and you'll see all the tweaked apps on this tutubox, and I'm gonna show you it if it works 100%. Let's say if I want to download Spotify plus plus, let's just search it up right here, Spotify plus plus. Just click gate, install, and I'm gonna download one app like game, like let's say Minecraft right here is free. Click install. They should be installing right now. It's just gonna take like a seconds to finish installing. Let's just wait. You can see the Spotify is already finished. Let's just wait for the Minecraft. If I open the Spotify, it should say like this. Wait, it's like click continue and thank you. And if you have account, you can log in. If you don't have account, you can sign up. Like I don't have account, I'm not gonna log in or sign up, but you will get the premium version for free, for 100% for free. You're not gonna pay any money. Now let's show you the Minecraft. Let's just wait a little bit. It's just gonna take like 30 seconds to finish installing. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and like. It's almost done. Okay, it's almost done. And you can see Minecraft is all like done. It's just gonna take 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can see the Minecraft right here. If I open it, it should work right here. Click allow. Now I can play Minecraft the Pocket Edition for free on my mobile, on my iPhone device. And this pretty much how you do, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.